another one.
Conditions in Texas include mostly sunny. The answer.
I'm not in the SBA anymore. I'm getting KIH28 for some reason.
Source, radar
What the
history.
heck?
Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations in Texas include Wilmington, Arnold, Millville, Richmond, Cumberland, Glassboro, Hamilton, Pennsville, Pittman, Clayton, Carnegie Point, Paulsboro, Kent Grove, Lena, Laura Lake, Woodstown, Alloway, Woodbury Heights, Weymouth, and Sweetesboro. For your protection, move to
Wait, it just says Sweetesboro. What? Wait, it just says Sweetesboro. What? There's no way it said that.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are
Bro, what the? It just says Sweetesboro.
repeating a severe thunderstorm warning.
Excuse me.
7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
What?
The following